Why do you think once you come from Jamaica you smoke? I've never tried.
Is it legal there? Every question. The question I always get, the main question, the first question, is it legal there?
Say good morning. Say good morning. You're coming to say good morning?
Yes.
Come.
Good
Say
morning.
good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. She's tired. Alright, go have your porridge. Go on, run along. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day in our household, and it's to the daily routine as usual. Baby's off to work. Baby's at the office today. Is out of the house today and is in the office. It's just me and the kiddos home today. I just finished getting my workout in, and it's time for me to look after green juice for everybody, especially Sarah, because it's her nap time. She's gonna have a late morning nap this morning. This girl is so busybody, but she's ready for her juice. Tyler's having some porridge and he's gonna have green juice after. Then I'm gonna go get a shower and get fresh and all that. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys have a good day. Whatever it is that you are doing today, let nobody, I mean nobody, stop you from having a good day. Yes girl, I preach it. Let no one, I mean no one, stop you from having a good day. Make your day the way you want your day to go. Anyway, here's a sneak peek of what I did this morning for workout, and now I'm gonna jump into my day and carry on with my routine. Have a fulfilled, blessed day. Green juice time. Green juice time, princess. Green juice, green juice. Everybody say green juice. We want apple. We want celery. We want cucumber. We want ginger. And lemon. See, Tyler know all the ingredients of green juice. Well, 2 glasses of goodness. I was about to say 1, but I'm like, you finish your porridge?
Yes. I finished so fast.
You just want the green juice, huh?
But did you finish?
You just want the green juice.
Yes. And you finished the green juice. I finished eating too.
Okay, thank you. Glass of goodness, and I'll share mine with Sir. Of course I'm happy. Why not? Are you happy? Yes.
And since you didn't shout at me.
Mama don't like to shout at you. I'm only shout at you when you're not listening. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna listen? Yes?
Yes, his Papa said that before he go.
Papa said you're to listen to Mama. That's what he tell you this morning before you go.
Just like yesterday, listen.
You're a good boy. Go sit and have your juice.
You know what?
What?
Now I started to listen.
Yes, good. I had absolutely no idea what I want for lunch, so I'm just freestyling right now. I was gonna fry egg, but then I changed my mind because I already had egg for breakfast. So I just throw a wrap in my pan, and I'm going to quickly fry this smoked salmon throw some lettuce and tomato on it. And that will be lunch for today. Quick, easy, freestyling, create something in my belly. Wow, Tyler is over there getting some schoolwork done, and Sarah is watching TV by herself. So everybody is fending for themselves right now. So I'm gonna throw this salmon in here real quick. I think it's the last of my smoked salmon. There you go. It's just a thin slice. I think it's two thin slices. You can't even realize that it's two, how thin it is. And they can eat it as it is because it's smoked. But I don't like to have my salmon like that. I like to cook it. So I'm just gonna cook it real quick. It won't even take a minute to cook on each side. That's how light it is. Boom. And I'm going to put the lettuce first. I'm not gonna cut them off. I'm just gonna let them stay big like that. And I'm going to just cut a tomato and lay it down on it. Lay it down on it. You guys should be able to get a lot of healthy option recipes from my channel. Though I cook a lot of the same things, but believe me, they taste good. Alright, so that's the base stuff, what I'm about to eat. And this salmon is gonna go right on top of that. What is today's date?
Yes.
Today is the 9th. And boom, that's lunch.
Tomorrow is Grandpa Fred's birthday.
It is lunch. You guys have been so busy, y'all. Anyway, let me show you guys what I'm doing right now. This is going in the oven. You guys know we love these muffins. These healthy gluten-free muffins made with oats, no sugar, no flour added. So I'm throwing these in the oven real quick. In 30 minutes those will be ready. I'm making dinner. I have some chicken here braising, which I need to finish up. And I have some quinoa here that just finished. Also, I'm going to be cooking asparagus for the first time. The first time I'm gonna taste it, first time I'm gonna eat it, first time I'm gonna cook it. So let's see how that will go, girl. Don't know if I like it, but it's worth a try. Here is what's for dinner for tonight. So I have asparagus, chicken, and quinoa. You guys, this is the visual on dinner. That's what dinner is looking like. On another note, somebody is home from work and is a total wreck. He's so tired. He ditched workout for today, but that's okay. He's also having a headache. Exactly. When you're home, you're headache free. I couldn't tell the last time you say you have headache. Look at him, y'all. Look at him.
Where did this come from?
Put it in the bin, Ty.
Tired.
Say hello to the face.
Hi guys. I am tired. I come back home.
Are you tired?
Yeah, I got it! Yeah,
When you just want to take your child and to throw it in the bin. I'm going to take you and throw you in the bin.
Man, let him pee and himself, you know, baby. Baby, you're wicked.
Who is the more wicked? Is it or me?
My eye, this is sin for one somebody eye to be this red.
You drunk? What kind of alcohol you got tonight?
I wasn't drinking no alcohol
Yeah,
at
what
all.
kind of cigarettes you smoke?
I
Marijuana?
wasn't smoking. I have never smoked in life, and I'll never smoke.
No, I don't trust you. I don't trust you.
What do you mean? You don't trust me? You don't trust me?
Look
What?
at your eyes. Your eyes red like either you drink or you smoke. And nobody can be eye red like this. And then about smoking. First thing I ask you if you smoke.
You smoke?
I'm not Jamaican.
That's discrimination.
Yes it is.
That is
Yes it
discrimination.
is. You think about Jamaica, what you think first?
He's discriminating my
When you
people
think
and my
about
country. I
Jamaica,
will
what
not
you think
accept
first?
it.
I'm not thinking about the beach.
What's the...
Or the palm tree. I'm
Think
not
about
thinking
marijuana?
about some...
Why do you think once you come from Jamaica you smoke? I've never tried.
Is it legal there? Every question. The question I always get, the main question, the most question, is it legal there?
And in that case, the Jamaican expression for today is ganja. You know what is ganja?
No, I don't know what is ganja.
Marijuana.
I know. A pineapple ganja. I remember, guys, that's the story. I think that wasn't my first trip. I think that was like my third or fourth trip to Jamaica. I don't think I was married at this time. And we went to the beach in Negril. And I was with babe, I think walking at the point out of the person we went with. And it like two or maybe it's just one Rasta man that came and when he saw me, you want ganja? And he asked me all type of ganja. I remember he asked me if I want pineapple ganja. I don't know how they do pineapple ganja. Like they put ganja in the middle of the pineapple. Oh lordy.
Hilarious. I remember that.
That's funny.
I remember that. So today's expression is ganja.
Ganja. That's
Never tried it.
red
Not
eye.
interested in
Red
it.
eye. Red eye.
Red like your cheek.
Red eye.
What's the French expression for today? What is marijuana called in French?
We
keep the English
we keep
word?
marijuana.
Okay.
We can say cannabis, but we keep
Okay.
marijuana.
Okay.
Sometimes we translate it in French as Marie-Jeanne because Marie-Jeanne is a first name,
Okay.
but it's just a way not to say the word.
Oh.
But otherwise, we don't translate that word.
Okay.
Because where is it coming from? Which word? The way it sounds must be like from Spanish.
Maybe.
It's only Spanish that the J become so.
What's the French expression for today or the French word? Marie-Jeanne?
Marie-Jeanne, you call your daughter Marie-Jeanne?
No, never. My daughter already.
Marie-Jeanne from Jamaica.
He's a fool.
As the baby born, she's already
should have disowned you when
convicted.
she grew up.
I shall kill you.
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy. It wasn't much today, but that's okay. It's a raw and real life. What you see is what you get. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you tomorrow with my red eyes. Anyway, you guys, I want to do some story time about me growing up in Jamaica. I have lots and lots and lots of story to give you of me growing up in rural Jamaica and the country part, or the bush part. Comment down below and tell me if you guys want me to do them story times. But I have to do these story times when babies are around so you can laugh while I'm giving you them story times. Comment down below and let me know. I already have lots of topic right down, so just let me know so I can unleash them on y'all tomorrow. Oh, it's 11 months. Tyler, don't do that.
Look, Sarah is the big of all of that.
Tyler. You calling Tyler? Tyler.
Tyler. When she take her picture, I'll make her laugh.
Yes, me and you have to come right here.
Okay. Sarah sitting.
You are 11 months, Mama.
Cock-a-rock-a-cock.
Sarah, sit.
Cock-a-rock-a-cock.
Sarah. Sarah.
For Jai.
For Jai. Ty, stay in front of her. Here, Mama, here. Sarah, no. Oh my God. She's not staying still. Sarah, look at Mama. Sarah. Sarah. Yes,
For
Ty.
Jai.
Tell her, no, come around this side. Okay, come.
For Jai.
Sarah.
Sarah.
For Jai. Keep saying it, Ty. Keep saying it. Oh my God. Continue, Ty. Don't stop. Ah, somebody help. Sarah. Come.
He's walking at 11 months.
Sarah.
He's walking
Tell us say for Jai.
for Jai.
Sarah, come on. Okay, let's see if I can do this again. Keep. Okay, I think we've got some. Good job, Ty. You're my real hype man.